Guys, I want to teach you how to connect internet from your mobile phone to laptop. So the first step that you must have a USB cable of your phone. Then you take a USB of your phone, you put inside of your phone. Guys, after that you go to your laptop. You go to your laptop. You put there. Then after that, yeah, guys. So then you go to your cell phone. You go to setting. After setting, you go to network and internet. Network and internet. Then you go to hotspot. Share phones internet number 2. You can see. You press here. Then when you go to your laptop device to check whether it's connected or not, then when you go there, you will see that your laptop is connected with the internet from your phone. Whether your phone is connected with Wi-Fi or you are using a data, you can share the internet to your laptop through cable. So let us go and check whether our internet is connected or not. Yeah, let us go to internet. Let us go to, it will open Google. It will open Google. This is very, very simple. Let us go and type welcome and see whether it's connected or not. You see, the welcome means that we are sharing the internet to laptop or PC from a phone that is connected with Wi-Fi or using a data. You can subscribe this video for the next lesson.